All right, let's begin. Okay, let's say you are having problem with your logo and you want it to be creased. Then you need to have an AI version of your logo. Though there are also some SVG conversion in the website, in like SVG online converter, but I would really recommend you to use an AI and then an Illustrator and then convert it into SVG. So yeah, so you can have a creased result, and you can edit your picture first before converting it into SVG, or you can edit your Victor first before converting it into SVG. Okay, let's dive in. I'm going to let me get the here I already have the logo, so feel free to change it if you want to change your images, your logo. So yeah, something like, okay, let me just try to change the color. Yeah, so you can do the edits in Illustrator first and make some adjustments. So for example, this one, I want it to be the vector to be edge, like I don't want to add spaces in my logo, so it really fill in to my header. So yeah, so I already have that. Once you're ready final with your Victor, then simply click the file and then save as, and then logo, and then select the SVG extension. So let's call this logo, and then save, and then make sure that the image location should be embed, so the browser can read your SVG. So let's set it to OK, and then go to the WordPress dashboard. By the way, I'm using RoboForm to organize all of my logins. I really love RoboForm is because it's not, I'm not sure, it's not buggy compared to Password Manager. I think I've used a very famous password manager before, and it doesn't satisfy me because it doesn't auto-sync as I expected. But RoboForm really settle me into, using that one. So yeah, try to use RoboForm. It's super helpful to expedite your development or even productivity. So yeah, and you can also save some bookmarks there or login details there. So okay, there's a lot of features. They also have a desktop version and an extension in all browser, whether you're using Mozilla or Google Chrome. They have an available extension for you, and yeah, you can just use the link on the description below so you can receive a free discount or if you want to upgrade in RoboForm, because there's additional features if you want to be in a paid version. But the free version is still enough for you to work and be productive. So you can sign up or you can use RoboForm for free if you are an individual person and you're not managing a team. Then RoboForm is fine. You can also share your login details to the other team in a free version. Yeah, so I am sold with RoboForm. Okay, let's get back to the topic, which is converting adding additional extension into your WordPress website. So okay, so normally you really cannot upload SVG file into your WordPress. So try to click the add new, and then let me try to add a picture. So it's not working. So you need to add a hook into your functions.php to allow WordPress let you upload a a file that they do not support. So simply go to your appearance and then always make sure that you use a child theme, because we will put the code into the child theme functions.php, because if we put that code into the parent theme, that code will be removed once you update your theme. So make sure that you are using a child theme. You can always use a plugin like a child theme generator. Then once you already generate a theme, okay, I just want to show with you. So child theme generator. So child theme generator, and then just install this theme here. Just install this one. So, and then go to the in this section, this one, child theme gen, and then just fill in the process to create a theme. Okay, then once you already generate a theme, you can remove that. So I forgot to deactivate it and remove it into the plugin list, but basically you can just remove it after generating a theme. So child theme, then let me just deactivate this one because we no longer need this one. So it would not affect our the child theme that we generated if you remove the theme. So it's super easy to do. Okay, you don't need it to do in a manual way. You can use that theme to generate faster, to generate a child theme faster. So after you already have a child theme, go to the theme editor, and then go to the select the child theme. So this is the DV child theme. Then functions.php. Now we will put this snippet here to let you add additional extension, which is SVG. So this is the code. I just put it here in my functions.php. So basically we will need to add a hook, which is the Mimi type. So Mimi types is a hook in WordPress. It's the default hook in WordPress. So basically, if you declare this option, which is image / SVG plus SML, then you will be allowed to upload a SVG file. Okay, we will return the mimes, and then I'll filter to make it work. So I will, in this code, you can just disregard this one and just get this snippet of code. We already have a PHP declaration here, so you don't need to put that. So just put it here and then update. Okay, once you already update that functions.php, you can then upload a SVG. So let's try that. So as you can see, it's working. Okay, you can remove that functions, that hook into your functions.php, but and your SVG will still work. So your SVG will still work. I'll try to let me try to put that into my hold on. I will change the logo here and then do this way. Okay, as you can see, it's more, crisp compared before. Okay, as you can see it, you can really see the difference. And then this one will still work even though you remove. Let's try to remove that code. I will remove that code. Okay, I will remove that code. Go to the functions.php and let's just add a comment, which means the code is already removed, or let's remove it. Okay, let's remove it. Basically, the comment section, declaring a comment and making it to comments and removing it, it's just basically the same. But let's just remove it for the purpose of this presentation and refresh the website. Okay, you will see that it is still working. If I right click that one and copy image and then paste that one, it's still SVG. So it's still working even though you remove the code. But if if you add additional code, additional SVG into your media, then you will get an error. Okay, so basically, if you think that you will only need to upload one SVG just for your logo, then you can just put that code and then remove it. But if you are planning to upload more SVGs onto your WordPress website, then you need to put the you need to just put it there. Okay, by the way, this is not really a huge code versus to installing a plugin. So that's the difference of using a plugin and manually adding a hook or a filter into your functions.php. We are making our WordPress website lightweight as possible. So if you just need a few functionality into your website, try to look for a workaround to use a hook or a filter into your functions in PHP rather than diving directly to plugin. So let's update that one because I will still need some SVG. I think I'm gonna turn this into SVG so I can create an animations and do more behavior onto these icons. So yeah, and also SVG is lighter versus than image. So yeah, I hope this has been helpful. And again, don't forget to install a RoboForm. This will be really helpful for you to organize your password or your credentials for your client and for yourselves. So it will really expedite your process. It's free and it has a desktop version, and it also available in all browser, whether you're using a Chrome or a Mozilla. Then RoboForm is really flexible. Don't forget to click the link below to sign up for free